Well, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. What are we doing today? Well, today we're going to take Big Bob down to Trollhagen and do a little excavation work with it. So we got to check it out and make sure it's full of fluids. Looks like we better put some oil in it. That should do.
What are you doing?
Well, we got to add some hydraulic oil without spilling.
Oh, she's thirsty.
Takes like 30 some gallons of hydraulic oil.
Holy.
So 5 gallons is like adding a quart.
Oh my lord. I get that's expensive.
Yeah,
How many did you buy?
just 5 gallons.
Okay. For now.
It wasn't out. It was just low.
Ah.
Oh, that's still full. Excellent. Well, we filled up the Bobcat and we're ready to go. Well, we just barely got started cleaning up our campsite here, making it a little bigger, and guess what happened? That's right, we blew a tire. So we gotta take it off and see if we can fix it. I hope that isn't it. Well, it's in the truck, and we'll take it home and see what we got.
So for Bobcat, and now you're back for the truck. Oh, a big tire. Wow.
Okay, and let that go.
And now she just got stuck. Have you did this before? Take a tube out.
Now,
I promise them.
check over the tube really good.
No, tube's still good. The only air I hear is over your finger.
Okay, well, we'll put a stem on it.
Let go?
Yeah. We'll put a stem on it and we'll see. We'll air it up again. We'll check it with water. And then we'll put it back in.
Okay. I looked at the rim and the inside, everything looks good.
Okay, we gotta vacuum the dirt out of it.
Yes. So, trip to Tractor Supply?
Yep. Well, here we are, Tractor Supply. Hope they got a stem. Okay. Let's see.
Over there.
Yeah, but those are not repair stems for tubes. I do not see a repair stem. Well, and let's see if we got a tube. I doubt it. 15, 15, nope.
16.
We do not have a tube either. Well, they don't have it. Looks like we're checking out the parts store. Well, we'll see if O'Reilly's has what we need. Well, the parts store didn't have one, and but they could order one. So we went ahead and ordered it. Won't be here till Monday though. Well, the tire says tubeless on here. You can't hardly read it anymore. But it says tubeless right there. So we'll try and put a stem in it and see if it holds air. Tire looks good on the inside. We'll see if it holds air tubeless.
That good?
Yep.
Or does it need to go higher?
No, that's good. Come hold this one.
Turn mine down.
Just hold yours down. If it's leaking anywhere out of the tire.
Okay. So spray the whole tire.
Yeah, start with the bead. Get the cracks real good.
More?
No. I'm gonna let that sit and see if it is leaking. That looks good. All right, now the other side.
Yep.
Take that away. Well, it's not leaking fast.
Where's it leaking?
If it is leaking, let it sit for a little bit. So we lost 3 pounds overnight. That isn't bad. That's enough to get the Bobcat back here. That's enough to probably get our work done down in Trollhagen. We gotta stand it up.
Well, I know this.
Well, we got Big Bob loaded up. We cleaned up our campsite over there and made a little more room. So back home we go. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.